Replacing your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Sugarland home, but only if you choose the right ones. With our hot summers, occasional storms, and growing focus on energy efficiency, the windows you select today should deliver comfort, savings, and durability for decades. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you choose replacement windows that provide real long-term value. Start with Sugarland's climate in mind. Sugarland's climate plays a huge role in window performance. Long, hot summers mean your windows must block heat effectively, while still letting in natural light. Look for energy-efficient replacement windows designed to reduce solar heat gain. Features like low-E glass coatings and insulated double or triple pane glass help keep indoor temperatures stable, reducing the workload on your air conditioner and lowering monthly energy bills. Storm resistance is also important. Even if hurricanes aren't frequent, strong winds and heavy rain can test your windows. Durable frames and quality seals protect against leaks, drafts, and long-term water damage. Choose the right window material. Window frame material affects maintenance, lifespan, and cost. Vinyl windows are a popular choice in Sugarland because they resist moisture, don't warp in heat, and require minimal upkeep. They're also budget-friendly while offering excellent insulation. Fiberglass windows are another strong option for homeowners focused on longevity. They handle extreme temperatures well and offer superior strength, though they typically come at a higher upfront cost. Aluminum windows are sleek and modern, but they conduct heat more easily, making them less energy efficient and less specially designed with thermal breaks. Think long-term energy savings. The best replacement windows aren't just about looks, they're about performance over time. Energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs year after year. Pay attention to insulation quality, tight seals, and overall window construction. Even small efficiency improvements add up over the life of the window, making higher quality options more cost-effective in the long run. Energy-efficient windows also increase resale value. Buyers in Sugarland often look for homes with upgrades that promise lower utility bills and improved comfort. Match style with function. Window style impacts ventilation, usability, and aesthetics. Casement windows are excellent for airflow and energy efficiency, making them ideal for catching breezes. Double-hung windows offer classic appeal and easy cleaning, while sliding windows work well for wide openings and modern layouts. Choose styles that complement your home's architecture while meeting practical needs. A beautiful window that doesn't ventilate well or seal properly won't deliver long-term satisfaction. Prioritize professional installation. Even the best windows can fail if installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, alignment, and insulation, which directly affects energy efficiency and durability. A qualified local installer understands Sugarland building conditions and ensures your replacement windows perform as intended from day one. Proper installation also protects warranties and reduces the risk of future repairs, saving you money and frustration. Look beyond the upfront price. It's tempting to choose the cheapest option, but long-term value comes from durability, efficiency, and low maintenance, not just initial cost. High-quality replacement windows may cost more upfront, but they often last longer, perform better, and require fewer repairs, making them the smarter investment over time. Final thoughts. Choosing the best replacement windows in Sugarland is about balancing comfort, efficiency, durability, and style. By focusing on climate-appropriate features, quality materials, energy performance, and expert installation, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, improved comfort, and lasting value. The right windows don't just upgrade your home, they enhance how you live in it for years to come.